Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to CarsCorp. I'm your host Mark, and in this video, I'll be reviewing the new Maserati GranCabrio. Maserati's latest GranCabrio promises a heady blend of performance, luxury, and potentially a touch of electric magic. While we haven't seen the final product yet, the initial details paint a tantalizing picture of a convertible that could redefine the open-top experience. The GranCabrio is set to inherit the sleek design and powerful V6 engine of its coupe sibling, the GranTurismo. The top, offered in 5 colors, boasts a quick 14-second opening and closing time at speeds up to 31 mph. While the digital button control on the touchscreen is reminiscent of the Mercedes-Benz SL class, we'll have to see how it performs in practice. The prospect of a silent 750 HP GranCabrio Folgore is truly captivating, a fusion of eco-consciousness and exhilarating performance. Imagine the thrill of driving this all-electric convertible, the wind in your hair, without a single engine roar. One particularly enticing feature is the inclusion of front seat neck warmers with 3 intensity levels, a welcome addition for those chilly open-air drives. The Folgore boasts a number of impressive stats. It sits lower than any other electric car on sale thanks to its 1,353mm height. This low center of gravity promises improved agility, a key characteristic for a sporty convertible. Maserati claims a 50-50 weight distribution, a hallmark of balanced handling, and with only an 80 kilograms weight penalty compared to the coupe version, the Folgore tips the scales at a substantial 2,340 kilograms. This chunky weight is a trade-off for the electric powertrain, but Maserati promises a respectable 280-mile range on the WLTP cycle, translating to a claimed 3.4 miles per kilowatt. However, achieving that kind of range realistically demands a driving style more akin to a Fiat 500e than a screaming Italian supercar. The 800V architecture and promise of 100 miles of range in 10 minutes at a 350 kW charger sounds enticing, but remains a theoretical dream for now. This is just the beginning of the GranCabrio story. With its blend of opulent luxury, sporty performance, and a possible electric future, Maserati's latest convertible promises to be a game changer in the world of open-top driving. We can't wait to see how this symphony of speed and luxury unfolds. Subscribe to CarsCorp to stay up to date on the latest news about the upcoming cars and be among the first to experience the aesthetic blend of style and performance.